Hey folks, Eric here from Usign, wanting to share with you one of our latest integration partners, a product called Videodeals. Anytime we have a product offer that integrates well with Usign, we try to take a look at that and see how it might be beneficial to our folks. And so that's what we're going to do in this brief video today. I'm going to show you what the software is. I'm briefly going to describe how the software works. I'm going to give you some ideas about how you might be able to use it both personally and in your business and in your sales and marketing, and how that's going to be a benefit to you. We're going to talk briefly about the fact that it's a white label product and what do you get with that and how's that going to be beneficial to you. We're going to talk a little bit about the bonuses that come bundled with the product. And you'll see how Videodeals is a complete package and everything that you need to be able to create an actual business around the product that's available here. And then, as always, we have some great offers from Usign that will help you in that way as well. So this is the product. It's called Videodeals, and this is the dashboard. Inside the product, you have a variety of things that are here. And I'm going to show you each one of these. So we'll start at the bottom. We'll take a look at the nightclub. Let's see what that product looks like. Just take a look at this and tell me what you think. If you'll notice here, we have got a bunch of stuff going. We got a video playing in the background. And this is kind of cool. It's got a countdown timer, and it also has the ability to be able to use Facebook and Facebook comments. So if you're doing this for a pre-launch and you're warming it up, this is a great opportunity for you to be able to share with the community who sees the sales page, and this is constantly growing. This is a great sales page builder. So let's take a look at that page itself and see what's involved in that. I'll show you just a couple little things here. In this nightclub, if you'll notice, we have we can set a background image or we can set a video, and you saw in this one there was a video that was playing. It started out with a background color, so we could have easily have created a background color like that, saved that, and then hit the preview here, and let's see how this starts out, and you'll see what takes place. So I can start out with a bright background like that, and then just give it a moment and watch what happens when the video begins to play. And you'll see what takes place here. This is an attention getter for your visitor. The person who lands on this page is going to find that quite interesting and a great way to be able to capture their attention. Okay, landing page type here, but you can add a logo. And if you'll notice, I can take that logo from a URL, and that gives me the opportunity to be able to select something from Usign, and it integrates it with my Usign platform. As soon as it pulls all of my images over from Usign and puts them in the platform as well. So here's, I can grab those Usign images that I have there. I can go through and find my logo. I can stick that logo in there and fix the logo issue that was at the beginning of this page right there. So that's easy to do. I have the Usign integration right there. Down here, I can put just a header like this with in the logo area, or I have the ability to be able to take that content box. If you'll notice this content box right here, and I can change the color of that content box, and I can make that content box basically anything that I want it to be. And now I can go back over here, change that content box, and now you'll notice how that content box it's as easy as that. There's a couple of other things I can show you here with this product that I think are quite fascinating. I can put a shadow around the box. I can add a radius, a blur radius to that shadow. I can inset the shadow, or I can make it an outline. And when I make it an outline, you see what happens here. So I just want you to see a few of the things that happen with this. Give this just a minute to reload. And you see there how I've now got that on the outside. So just you can create basically whatever you want to create here. You've got your headline area. You can put a sub-headline with this, but this is what I really want you to see, because this is where it becomes powerful. This is where I can add my video. These are the really cool stuff here. I can select autoplay, or I can have the controls on, or I can have the controls off. I can put a border around the outside of that. I can make the border colors. I can do whatever I want to do with that. But here's the really cool thing. Sometimes you want to point out certain features to a client. Let's actually go to a different product, and I'll show you why these features become so important. Let me grab this info bar right here, and we'll open up that window. And here is a very, very simple. This is a great little landing page, and it has a video right here inside of a content box. Has the ability to be able to grab this information here. Make sure that stays shut off. And so I'm going to edit that info bar, and we'll take a look at this. So if I want to come down here and add, say I want to add some features to this. I want to create a list of features, and I really like that right there. I want to use let's leave it like that, and we'll see how that goes. Okay. Now, feature 1 and feature 2. Just like that. Now, see where this goes, and I'll show you how powerful this can become, because features are a great way to be able to draw people's attention to bullet points and to special stuff about your offer. And so you can put it right there. See how different that makes that look? We do not have a box around the outside of that, so let's see if we can clean that up and make that look a little bit better. I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to take a look at I'm going to create a content box. Okay. And I'll put a background color around this, just so that we can see what we're doing. I'll grab a background color and put around the outside of that. Let's see, we should probably round the corners a little bit, and we'll turn the opacity to about 8. We'll do it like that. Let's take a look at this and see what happens now. I'll readjust that. And you see, this is an incredibly powerful page editor that is basically what you see is what you get, drag and drop. You've got the ability to be able to stick these extra features in here. And as soon as this page reloads, you will see the adjustment that we made to that. There you go. Now, I would obviously want to change the color of the background here, but I've got the timer. I've got the ability to be able to do with this. So let's take a look at the timer in this section next, okay? So when I go down here to the timer, I can activate the countdown timer, or I can turn it on or off. When I turn it on, I can set a time for it. I can set a day that it will start, day that it will stop, or I'm sorry, a day that it will stop, not a day that it will start. We're going to assume it starts today. I can put the color, I can adjust the colors. Now, this is where it really becomes powerful. You've got the countdown event right here. I can do nothing. I can just simply make it 0 out. Once it hits the countdown timer, I could hide it so the countdown timer disappears, or I can redirect them to a different page and say that offer is no longer available. I can redirect them to another page over here. That offer is no longer available, but while you're interested in this, you might want to consider this. And so I would have another landing page that I could create, obviously inside of Videodeals, and redirect them there. So I've got lots of things I can do with this countdown timer that, you know, you can do that inside of WordPress. You can do it with lots of little tools, but you've got it all built right here inside of your Videodeals landing page creator. So the next is this other settings, and you'll notice here on our info bar we have name and address, and click here to enter. Here's where you adjust that. I can use a form, or I can use a button. If I use a form, I can just make it a button, like a buy now button. It takes me to And you'll notice when I do that, I've got the option to be able to send them to a particular URL with that button, okay? Or I can do a form. And the form is going to give me the opportunity to be able to integrate with certain autoresponders, or I can save that I can save that information right in a built-in database on the platform. So that's basically what you can do. Now, if you want to do some Facebook retargeting pixels, you can put those in here. You've got the ability to be able to enable and disable the Facebook contents, or I'm sorry, it's Facebook comments. And so you can build the social proof on your page, and those kinds of things all become extremely helpful. Let me show you the other pages that are here, because back in this dashboard, you saw Explaindio, an info bar, a special offer, and a nightclub. Here's your nightclub offer. We looked at that. We played with that. Here is your special offer. This was a special offer for one Sochi, and inserted the video here and put a countdown timer on it, and click here to secure your discount, and that took you to another URL. The info bar, which we were just playing with, that info bar right there looks just like that, and you saw how we edited that. We could add these features over here. We could adjust the colors and all of that. Then here was one with the Explaindio, and that was the original one that we saw. And this is an image right here that was captured and inserted. And so you can see when we click on edit here how that image was just input into this text area. And this is, and I'll show you why that's important, okay? So let's go down here and grab this, because inside of this main content section, where we have this content right here, you can do all kinds of stuff. You can put regular text in here. You can put HTML in here. You can, which is where that came from. You can add images. You can put videos. You can put links. You can do all kinds of stuff inside of that page. Okay, so that's basically what the product is and how it works. So some ideas of what you might be able to do with this. Can you imagine what your landing pages would look like with this capabilities right here? Simple, easy to build, easy to design, very rapidly done for you. Kind of, you could take this one and you could modify it. You could change your logo up here at the top, change the video in the back, and you've already got this basically done for you. So really easy to take that. Maybe you have a client who needs a landing page and they don't have a place to put it. You can host it. It's hosted here, and so you have all of those tools available to you in the same package. Okay, I want you to see what you get once you purchase the product, because this is a white label product. It is a whole system for you. So it is once you buy, you get everything that you need to start selling. It's a selling system. It includes a sales page. I'm going to show you that in just a second. It includes logos and a built-in membership system. So I'm going to click right here and show you the sales page. This is what sales page looks like. This was actually built in ClickFunnels, so you could get a ClickFunnels page done for you, or you could mimic this page in your own landing page builder. But you get that. That's the first thing. You also get 3 logos that are designed for you, and you get the copy for that. And then you get the ability to be able to have a back office membership system that will help you as well. So those are the things that are available inside of the system. You get other things that we've demonstrated and we've shown that are available there, such as you also get the hosting that's done for you and that kind of stuff. But the next thing is, I'm going to show you what you get from Usign. And here they are. The first one is, we give you a powerful video graphics editor creator, not an editor, but a creator that allows you to be able to insert some incredible stuff. If you'll notice inside this image right here, that you'll see that lower third, you'll see this bonus that's offered over on the side here. We give you the ability to be able to create that. Take the software that's bundled with this, and you can now take your video creation and you can move it to a very professional level by being able to embed that lower third, be able to bring those bonuses up at the right time to be able to catch the other person's attention. We're giving you the ability to be able to do that. It comes with 396 built-in graphics. And so that comes bundled inside of that software. And then it's a very easy to use drag and drop software. You see what happens right here. You get to create what you want that video to look like, and you can trigger those things to happen at the moment that you think is going to be important in your video. You're actually taking your video to a whole new level, and as it says right here, the possibilities are endless. You can see this. We got live here, we got follow me on this channel right here. You can see the kind of stuff that you're capable of being able to do with this. So that's the first thing. That's the first offer from Udesign. The second one, and it's not an offer, that's the first bonus from Udesign. The second one is you get YouTube channel art software. And the YouTube channel art software is really important. YouTube channel is really difficult to build the art for YouTube, for your YouTube channel. And this is it right here, because it looks so different on so many different platforms. YouTube is trying to become the television replacement. And so they give you a variety of different things here. And so the YouTube channel art that we've developed for this particular offer is really important to help you to have a very classy looking YouTube channel. So you get everything with Videodeals. You get all of the bonuses that are bundled into Videodeals, sales pages, and all the stuff that comes with that. A complete system to make that work. Then you get the two bonuses from Udesign. You get the video art that you can insert into your video to make your videos stand out, and you get the channel art creator. Get those two things. Now, the thing you need to understand, and don't miss this, this is a one-time offer that's being made available right now. There's only 100 licenses available, and the price is $99.95. Grab this before the price goes up, or we exceed the 100 licenses that are available. Find the button on this page, click on that button, and grab it now.